How can you print out your CorelDRAW Go project? After you customize your template, you can simply click Export at the top right, and you will have two main options. One is to download the file, one is to print. If you select Print, you can decide I want to print only the current page or all pages. I got just one page in this document, so it doesn't matter. I click Next, and it will directly pop up to your printing option on your computer. So that's really nice and quick solution. Then you can decide which printer you want to use, and you got your standard printing options here. Alternatively, you can click Export and you can download a printable document. PDF format is very friendly for print. There's also PDF especially for print with high resolution, so you can select that. And again, you can decide you want just entire page that you see right now or all pages if you got multi-page document, and download that PDF first. And you can print out the PDF itself, and in this way you're still keeping this original printable file. You can also send it to somebody to print, send to different device. So this option is a bit better in my opinion. Alright, so that's how you can print out your design from CorelDRAW Go. See you in the next one.